Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, I do a lot of homeschool stuff, activities, activity kits, and homeschool lessons and stuff like that. So if you like those things and if you are a homeschooler, please subscribe. So today's video is about packing a plane kit, an activities kit for kids. My nephews are gonna be flying to Singapore next month, and one is 8, the other one is almost 2. He'll turn 2 next month. And so I thought of making my Easter basket for them, like a plane activity theme thing. A lot of these items that I will show you today can be used when you travel on the road, in the plane, whatever. You can just pack them up and take them with you, because as you may know, if you've ever traveled with a child or children, they can be difficult especially if they're ADHD like my son. So they won't sit still in the car, in the plane for hours and hours on end. So you have to keep them busy. And I've done a lot of these things when my son was younger and when he couldn't really control his ADHD yet. And so I hope that these items will also inspire you to pack your own plane activity kit. Let's begin. The first thing that I want to show you are these sticky cupcake and Tootsie Roll. You can grip them, the kids can grip them, mold them, and then throw them. Yeah, I know throwing on the plane is kind of dangerous, but the kids can actually stick this on the airplane window. I don't think they leave a residue, because they don't leave a residue on our walls. But if they do, I think just a wet wipe will take care of it. I have two. These are great for for grip motor strength. I mean, these are great to practice their grip, especially for the 2-year-old, and to help those hands become strong. So that's our first. I'm going to put everything in one box, because in one pack, because I will be sending this to the province and to save on shipping costs. The next thing that I want to show you are this puzzle. There are 6 puzzles in a box, and each puzzle is like 2 or 3 pieces only. So this is great for the 2-year-old, but I guess his kuya will also appreciate it because he likes Bumblebee. So this one's for the 2-year-old. And then, of course, puppets, right? Who can resist? I'm giving them this car and this dolphin one, because the other one they both like cars, but the other one likes sea creatures like whales and dolphins, stuff like that. So I am putting those there, and that will keep them busy for a few minutes. And then I also have these sticker books. And then this one is the farm animals, because the almost 2-year-old really likes farm animals. And what you can do is pack a small notebook or a small sketchbook, and then you can give them the stickers, and then they can stick the stickers on the sketch pad whatever they want. My tip is to give them one sheet at a time. Don't give them the whole sheet, because they will lose interest in this very quickly. So just give them one sheet at a time. Here's the sea creatures book, sticker book. There you go. Let's put this here. And then here's another educational fine motor practice book for you. You don't need scissors, because everything is already pre-cut. You just need to punch them out. This is the scenes. This comes in dinosaurs, animals, vehicles. It's different, but I chose this so that they can, maybe while on the plane, they can make up some stories about the scenes. So it's a really good writing prompt as well, and storytelling prompt. So that's that. And then Play-Doh, of course. You always need Play-Doh, right? Especially to practice those little fingers, fine motor skills, grip strength. These are great. So I've included this one for each kid. It doesn't matter if this one's a girl, so what? They're both boys, by the way. And then this is a fun piece that they can play with over and over again on the plane while they're in the plane. And then this last one is probably not something that I would recommend for a plane ride because, well, for traveling in general, it can be a little bit messy. But the great thing is the paints here, they're on the paper. They don't really spill out. So you only need a cup of water and a brush. But for this one, I recommend this for when you reach your destination. Of course, when you get to your hotel or to wherever you're going, you're gonna have to unpack and settle in the room, right? So to keep the kids busy while you're doing that, give them this. And then they can also be busy while you're busy tidying up your room or putting your there's a price sticker, or putting your clothes into the closet or whatever. So this one is for when you reach your destination. And then I would recommend that you put them in a bag. This is the bag that I have here, but of course you can put them in another bag. You can put them in a plastic case, but I recommend that you give them one toy or one activity at a time, because again, they will lose interest so fast. And so what I would do is I would hide everything. This is what I did before. I would hide everything and then I would just take out one item at a time. So for example, just this one, and then after an hour, this one. You can also tell them to behave. Don't whine, don't cry, don't complain. And if you're good for another hour, you get another surprise. So sometimes I would wrap the items up, or I just keep them. Because my son back then, he really loved opening presents. And so I would wrap them up. Even if it's just craft paper or whatever old poster that you have, just wrap them up, and then they wouldn't care because they will just tear the paper. So that made him really, really happy whenever we would travel. I would also recommend to minimize weight and trash, that you remove these things from their boxes so you have more space in your hand carry. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you had a lot of ideas for your own travel kit for your kids, especially now that it's summer. I know a lot of you will be traveling. And so stay safe, you guys. Please like this video, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. Bye!